Exercise 10.5 we have to do. In this exercise you have to construct triangle, but in this the triangle is given where one angle is given but the length of two sides is given, and there are special triangles. Like question number 1, construct a right angle triangle. So it is a right angle triangle, so one angle has to be 90. Angle aq is given 90, qr is given 8, and pr is given 10. So let's come to the rough figure. The rough figure I have drawn here. This is your rough figure, triangle PQR. So first we have to make the triangle. A rough figure. Angle R is 90, PR is 10, and QR is equal to 8. To make this, to construct this figure, we have to make the length QR. From the figure it is clear. You will make the length QR is equal to 8. Then you will construct angle 90 using compass. You will make this, all the angles have to be made with the help of compass. So you mark this arc, construct a 90-degree angle. When you construct this 90, cut 10 centimeter, and this point will become point P. After that you join Q. So PQ is made and the figure is complete. So this angle is 90. So one angle is given 90 degree and the triangle is made. So to construct this figure, you have to make the length QR is equal to 8 centimeter. Then after that construct angle R. Angle R is equal to 90. So this angle is 90 degree. You have to make this angle 90. After that you have to measure PR, cut 10 centimeter. So the length P, this will become point P, and you will measure an arc from R. So from here you will put the compass and cut an arc from here. When this arc is made, PR will become 10. After that you will join Q. You will join the length QP and the figure will be made. So triangle PQR is made. After that you will write the step that draw a line QR is equal to 8 centimeter, construct angle R is equal to 90, and then you will write from R, you can write cut arc RP is equal to 10 centimeter, and next step you can write join QP. When you join QP, triangle PQR is made where the angle is 90 degree. This is how the construction will be done. So this is how we make the figure. Now when you make the figure, this is the construction. After that, the other questions which are given in 10.5, they are also, the second one is also a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 6. Now hypotenuse you know is the longest side, and one of the side is 4 centimeter. So it is a right angle triangle, so understood that one angle has to be 90. So you will make one side, construct its hypotenuse, and then make one side 4 centimeter and complete it. So question number 3, construct an isosceles triangle ABC. Construct an isosceles triangle ABC where ACB is equal to 90 and AC is equal to 8. So let's make a rough figure. Triangle ACB is there, and in this triangle is given construct an isosceles right angle triangle. So it is isosceles also and right angled also. and angle ACB is 90 and AC is given 6. So let's take AC as the base. A will be the base and angle C will be 90 and AC is equal to 6 centimeter. So only one thing is given here. So the figure will be made where AC is equal to 6 centimeter. So the figure construction is simple. You will first make the length AC. First draw the length AC. From the rough figure it is only clear. First you will draw AC is equal to 6 centimeter. After that you will make a 90 degree angle. So first draw AC. Draw AC. AC is equal to 6 centimeter. Construct an angle 90 degree. When you construct 90 degree, the arcs will be made with the help of compass. After you have made this, now you can see the question says it is an isosceles right triangle. Isosceles right triangle means the length of two sides will be equal. So AC and BC will be equal. So the length of, without making B, we cannot make the triangle. So BC is equal to 6. So from C you will cut a 6 centimeter arc. In the question 6 centimeter is not given, but it is an isosceles right triangle. Therefore this length will be equal to this length. So these two will be equal. After that this point will become B and you will join it. So triangle ABC is made where AC is equal to 6 and BC is equal to 6. So you have to make an angle 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree which you have to make 90 here. First you will draw AC is equal to 6. Then you will construct angle C 90. When you construct 90, then from C you will cut an arc CB. So the arc which is given here is CB. You will cut an arc here. This will become CB is equal to 6 and then you will join AC. The triangle will be made. So this will be the steps of construction for this question.